Hi mga kalangga ko! So today's video, we're going to starch the rice using our Salad Master 3/4 saucepan and the basket. So the ideal cups maximum for that 3/4 is 2.5. So perfect for your family. So for one meal, 3 to 4, you can share it together. Of course, you still have to wash like your regular rice po. So ayan, so you have just to fill it up the water. So how can you know na tama na yung water mo? So you just have to make sure the water will touch on the base. So yan o, ng water na sa baba. Check this out. Yan, pag ang water nakatouch na sa base, you're good at it. So in Salad Master, we always use medium lang talaga. You will never go wrong. Medium heat, and once you hear that clicking, you have to put it in the low heat. So let's check this out. Wow, ulala, ang ganda ng rice natin. So I'm sure masarap talaga yan. The starch na yan. And sa baba, yan na yung starch. So today's video, thank you!